Hi class, how are you? We're out in the middle of the Everglades, down in Florida, down in the swamps looking for alligators. Or are there crocodiles? I think there's an alligator out there. But did you see all those mosquitoes? We're out in the Everglades. There's mosquitoes everywhere. Let's get out of here. That's right. You know what? I'm glad we're back in our classroom, away from all those mosquitoes and alligators. But today, on our math paper, we are going to talk about the length of a real alligator. Now, have you ever seen a real live alligator? I can remember when we went to Florida, there was alligator parks. You could go in and you could walk like it's going through an alligator zoo. But I'll tell you what, I stay away from those big guys. But first, before we get started, I want to remind you today that we are starting a brand new speed drill today. Yeah, here's a picture. They're going through the Everglades. Ooh, he must have really good balance to stand up in that boat. Look at that nice bird. Yeah, what is that? It's like an egret, I think. But anyway, you're going to do number 1 today. It's on the back with the fawn and the mother deer, okay? And you're going to do that good speed drill. Remember, Mom is not going to time you, but you're going to do your best job and do the right answers for Mrs. Kraft. Okay. Well, let's start off with a practice. We have not done our 2 times family in a long time. I would love to hear the answers for the 2 times family. Uh-oh, somebody just said, Mrs. Kraft, all the answers are right over here. I just realized that. Let me see if I can move these guys out of the way. Uh-oh, I don't think that's going to happen. Oh, there goes Mr. Owl. Let's just slide these guys down, 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 down. Okay, down, down, down. Oh, they're still there. Oh, now they're down. Now everything is really down. I don't know what we're going to do, but it's okay, I'm back again. It fell all the way on the floor, but you know what? I think we'll be okay. Let's see if you can give me some answers here for these problems. Are you ready? Okay, I need to get my clothespins. There we go. Okay, Madison, this one's yours. Are you ready? 2 times 5 equals, that's correct, 10. 2 5s. Remember, if I go too fast, just hit the pause button, okay? Here we go. Adeline, 2 times 1. That's super simple. And she says, that's right, it is 2. Okay, here we go. Next one. Oh, there's my fingers not working again. Abel. Oh, Abel, sorry about that. 5 times 2, Abel is, he already knew the answer. He said, it's 10. Remember, counting by 2s is doubles. We're just doubling the number. Okay, like it's a plus, like 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 5s. Okay, here we go. It's Layla's turn. Layla, what's 9 times 2? 2 times 9. 9 times 2. That's right. If you don't know, hold up that many fingers, count by 2s, and the answer, Layla, is 18. She is right on the money. Okay, here we go. Gwen, what is 2 times 10? That's a big number. 2 times 10 is, that's correct. It is 20. Awesome job. Don't get tricked on this one. Caleb, what's 0 times 2? 0 times 2 is, you are absolutely positively correct. He said it is 0. Remember, any number times 0, Caleb, equals, that's right, it equals 0. Okay, here we go. Next one is Calvin, 7 times 2. 2 times 7. 2 7s, Calvin, are, that's right, 14. Nice. Oh, this is a big one, Hunter. 11 times 2, or 2 times 11. That's right, they're twins, if you can say it either way. And Hunter says the answer is perfect, 22. Nice job. Okay, Benjamin, here we go. 2 times 6 is, 2 times 6, 2 6s, 12. That's right. Okay, here we go. Kellen, 2 8s. I saw Kellen come through the line today. I told him I had to pick on him. Let me think. What can I pick on Kellen? He was smiling. He was like, uh-oh, Mrs. Kraft caught me. I'll have to think of something, Kellen. Kellen, what is the answer for 2 times 8? 2 times 8, 8 plus 8 is, dun, 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 dun. That's right, it is 16. Nice job. Okay, Lucas, what is 2 times 3 or 3 times 2? 2 3s, Lucas, is, what? You have that many toes on your, you do not have that many toes. That's right, 6. He does not have 6 toes. That's right. How many toes do you have? I hope you only have 5. Some kitty cats have 6 toes. Did you know that? Here we go, Brady. 4 times 2, 2 4s. 2 4s are 8. Nice work. Okay, Roman. 6 times 2. 2 times 6 or 6 times 2? Yeah. If he had 6 chickens and they each laid 2 eggs, how many eggs would he have? he would have 12 eggs. Nice job. Oh, wait a minute. How many things are in a dozen? How many things are in a dozen? That's right, 12. Okay, Kendall, here we go. Kendall, what's 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. Nice. And Ella, what is 1 times 2? She said that, and so simple. That's right, 2. I saw Ella today, too. I saw Kendall today, too. Who else did I see? I saw Ella. I saw Kendall. I saw Lucas. I saw Kellen. I saw Calvin. I saw Adeline. Nice job. It was so fun seeing everybody. Okay, this is whoever, boys or girls. Who's going to answer first? On your mark. Get set. Go. 10 times 2, 2 times 10. And the answer is, I heard the girls. The girls said it was 20. Okay, boys, here's yours. Are you ready? Boys, who's going to be fastest? Boys or girls? Okay, girls. Girls. Okay, ready? 12 times 2, 2 times 12, 2 12s. Count by 2s. Use your fingers and your toes. How many? And the answer is, sorry, girls. The boys shouted it out. I think it was Abel or Hunter. 24 is the answer. Nice job. All that too, family, are so simple. All we're doing is doubling up. We're just putting doubles together and finding that number. That was very simple. Now, did you get a dry whiteboard today? I hope you did. We're going to use it pretty soon. But also in that bag was a pile of these cups. Yeah, can you find your cups? Now, if you didn't get the cups, you can just get a piece of paper and a pencil and you can write down this number. But since we have our cups, we're going to make some big numbers. These numbers are going to have 5 numbers to them. Are you ready? 5 numbers. Okay, the first number is, it's a big one, 23,459. 23,459. You make that. Hit the pause button. You make it while I make it, okay? 23,459. Make sure all your numbers are lined up. And make sure, one important thing, when you read your numbers, you're going to start on the left and read across to the right. If you start on this side and read across, that is not correct. Remember, we have to start on the left and read to the right, okay? 23,459. Do your numbers look like mine? 23,459. Good job. Now, if you're reading it this way, that is wrong, okay? So make sure the 23. Now, some people's cups might be reversed on Mrs. Kraft, but when you look at it, the 2 has to be on the left, okay? This is the left over here. So the 2 has to be on that side, okay? Now, I have a question for you. Which number lives in the tens place? Which number lives in the tens place? Is it the 2? You shout really loud when I get to it, okay? Is it the 2? Is it the 3? Is it the 4? Is it the 5? Or is it the 9? Okay, shout really loud when I get to it. Are you ready? I heard you. 5 lives in the tens place. Nice job. Okay, here's the next number. Are you ready? Okay, it's another big one. 28,510. 28,510. Remember, you're putting all your cups out so you can find them. 28,510. 28,510. Did you get it? Mrs. Kraft's getting hers. 28,510. Hit the pause button if you need to wait. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 28,510. Nice job. Which number lives in the thousands place? I want you to clap, 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 clap. Lots of claps, okay, when I cut to it. Okay, you ready? The number that lives in the thousands. Is it this number? Is it this number? Go a little bit closer. Is it this number? Is it this number? Yes! If you're clapping, clapping, clapping on the 8, you are correct. This is the thousands. This is the 10,000s. Last one. Okay, get all your cups lined up again. Ooh, okay. Get all my cups laid out. Okay. Are you ready? Mrs. Kraft's got to get her cups all laid out. Okay. Okay, big number again. 19,805. 19,805. Okay, you do yours while I'm doing mine. 19,000. Oh, where's my... Oh, there he is. 19,805. 19,805. Okay. Did you get it? Okay. You ready to see mine? Okay, here it is. 19,805. Remember, we start over here and we're reading across, okay? Now, here's the deal. Are you listening? Somebody might have done this. 19,085. That's not even 19,000, is it? That's 1,985. Remember, if you don't hear somebody at home, you have to put that 0 in to hold the place. 19,805. Okay? I want you this time. What can we do this time? Ooh, can you stomp your feet? I want you to stomp your feet for the number that lives in the, you ready? 10,000s place. I want you to stomp your feet when I point to the number that lives in the 10,000s place. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Is it, let me get my fingers. Is it this one? 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 You ought to be stomping, 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 stomping your feet. The 1 lives in the 10,000s place. That's right. Did you have fun with those? I love doing the cups. I think it's really fun. So keep this stack someplace where you can find it because we'll use it again another day. Okay? Good job. Okay. I have a listening exercise. Do you have listening ears today? I hope you have really good listening ears. Okay, here we go. Miss Williams' students made a national park display. The girls brought 4 pictures and the boys brought 12 pictures. How many pictures were in the display? Okay, did you hear that? One more time. Miss Williams' students made a national park display. The girls brought 4 pictures and the boys brought 12 pictures. How many pictures were in the display? Do you have an answer for me? Who has that answer? Lucas, do you have an answer? That's correct. He said 12 because 4 plus 12, he didn't say 12. Mrs. Kraft is the one who said 12. Lucas, I got it wrong. What did you tell me? 16. Oh, I need to hear better. My ears are all covered up by this mass of hair that needs a good haircut. That's right. 16. 4 plus 12 equals 16. You got it right, Lucas. Mrs. Kraft got it wrong. Teachers make mistakes, and so do students. But when you get that answer right, I'm so happy for you. Okay, here's another one. I can't get this one wrong. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Eric bought a stuffed alligator at the Everglades gift store. He spent 3 $1 bills. Got that in your mind? 3 $1 bills. 3 quarters. Ooh, how much are 3 quarters? Okay, think about that. And 1 dime. How much money did he spend? One more time. Eric bought a stuffed alligator at the Everglades gift store. He spent 3 $1 bills, 3 quarters, and 1 dime. How much money did he spend? Is it Layla or Ella? I can't tell whose voice it is. I'm going to let either one of you. What did you say it is? You are right. Both of you girls are. $3.85 because 3 quarters, let's count, 25, 50, 75, and a dime is worth how much? 10. So 75, 85, $3.85. Your ears are working marvelously today. I am so proud of you. I want you to find your Everglades picture. See that big alligator? Okay. That mouse, better watch out. He might be dinner. Okay, find that and your handy dandy ruler. You need your ruler today. Okay. So find both of those things for me. You are going to take your ruler and you're going to measure how long in inches is that alligator. So right now, do your best job. Line them up. Okay. I want you to measure for me. See if I can hold this and do this at the same time. A little tricky when you're working backwards. Do you see how long it is? That's right. Did you get 6? I got 6 inches too, but don't write down 6 because we have one more step to take today. Okay, are you ready? It says each inch equals 2 feet. Each inch equals 2 feet. How long are some real alligators? Okay, now how am I going to figure that out? Each inch equals 2. Oh, wait a minute. Our times family. What is 6 times 2? 6 times 2. Would you write that on your paper? Would you write for me, please? Oh, where's my pen? Thank you. Here it is. 6 times 2 equals... Roman, can you tell me what 6 times 2 is? I think this is the problem that you had. Do you remember what it was? That's right. He said 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 feet long. If we were here at school, we would count the ceiling tiles. It would be 6 of those ceiling tiles. That is a huge animal. One humongous animal. That's right. As we continue on this page, we're going to talk about, remember those twins that we talked about yesterday? 2 numbers that are the same? That's right. Every multiplication problem has a twin, just like every addition problem has a twin. So we're going to do a couple on the board, a couple freebies. Are you ready? Here we go. So what is 12 times 2? Let's go, Ben. Ben, what is 12 times 2? 2 12s. 12 and 12 is, that's right, that is 24. Now they want you to write the twin. Write the twin. Abel, can you tell me how I write the twin? I have to use the exact same numbers that I had on my first problem. That's right. Instead of 12 first, I'm going to put 2 times 12 equals 24. Nice job, Abel. Let's do one more freebie. Freebies are good, aren't they? Okay, let's go to Kellen. Kellen, 8 times 5. What's 8 times 5? Hold up 8 fingers. Count by 5s. And that's right, it is 40. He knew that. Good. So if I'm going to write the twin, I've got to use those same 3 numbers, but I'm just going to change the order of the first 2. I'm going to put 5 times 8 equals 40. Okay, you do the last one all by yourself. It's pretty easy. Let's go down and remind ourselves about subtracting. Don't forget, when we subtract, sometimes we have to borrow. When we have all these zeros, for sure we have to borrow. Okay, let's see if we can do this problem here together. Are you ready? Another freebie. Got your pencil ready? Okay, Adeline, can I do 0 minus 1? I cannot. That's right. So I'm going to cross out the 0. You do too. Knock next door. Mr. 5, may I borrow 1? Yes, you may. 10 plus 0 is, that's right, it is 10. Adeline, what is 10 minus 1? 10 minus 1 is... That is right. It is 9. Adeline got another hamster. I think it's a hamster, right, Adeline? Not guinea pig. Guinea pig. I get those two mixed up all the time. And its name is Coco. It's a nice brown color. And he and Ginger are getting along just fine. You'll have to ask Adeline about that. Okay, let's go to the next one. Layla, what is 4 minus 3? That's correct. She knew that right off the bat. It is 1. And let's keep going with the girls. Gwen, what is 6 minus 2? 6 minus 2, Gwen. That is it. Wonderful. 4. I got to see 4 different dogs. Gwen showed me 4 different dogs that are at her grandpa's house where they're living. And they're beagles. And they went rabbit hunting. Yeah, you'll have to ask Gwen all about it. And she found something great in the woods. I won't tell you just yet what it is. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 5,000 minus 2,463. Let's see if Brady can help me. Brady, can I do 0 minus 3? I cannot. He says I've got to keep going until I find what? Until I find somebody at home. That's right. Knock next door, knock next door, knock next door. Mr. 5, may I borrow 1? Yes, you may. Okay, so I did borrow. How much did I borrow, Brady? I borrowed 10. That's right. Brady, that's right. I told Brady to give his mom a hug because she was his teacher, and he wouldn't do it. He's a no way, Jose. Do you give your mom hugs for being such a good teacher? Brady, what's 10 plus 0? That's right. It is 10. Brady, do I stop here or what do I do next? I think he said, I've got to cross out the 10 and borrow from the 10. I'm going to cross out the 10, make it a 9. Make this next number a 10 because I had 10 plus 0. What do I have to do next? Let's see. Caleb, what do I do next with this 10? Do I stop? Am I done? Nope. This guy right here needs some, so I have to borrow for him one more time. Cross out the 10, make it a 9, and 10 plus 0 is 10. Caleb, do I want to borrow from this last 10? Yes or no? No, because he doesn't have anybody to give it to. He is the end of the line. Okay, so Caleb, what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is correct. It is 7. Nice job. Okay, he told me a really good joke. Did you hear the joke? I think I told some of you Caleb's joke yesterday. Yeah. What has 3 feet and no toes? Do you know what it is? It's a yardstick. That's right. 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. 1 yard equals 3 feet. Caleb, good job. You need to eat more popsicles, or maybe I need to buy a box of popsicles and get those jokes. Okay, let's do the next one. Here we go. 9 minus 6. Adeline, what's 9 minus 6? That's right. 9 minus 6 is 3. Nice job. Okay, let's go, Madison. Madison, what is 9 minus 4? 9 minus 4, Madison. Correct. It is 5. Put your comma. And the last one, 4 minus 2, Ella. 4 minus 2. Perfect. It is 2. So guess what? You have the first problem done, and you have the third problem done. I forgot to tell you that was the third one. I want you to do some of the rest of thinking all by yourself, okay? Down to number 4 and number 5. You know how to do those. Go down to number 5. When I have that dividing box, I am going to think about the opposite of division is what? The opposite of division is, who can say it for me? The opposite of division is multiplication. That's right. So I am going to think about, this is the first problem, okay, number 5, 10, let's see if I can do it upside down, whoops, times something that equals 50. 10, whoops, you couldn't see it, could you? 10 times something that equals 50. Well, if you don't know your 10 family, you can count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Jessica Hamilton.
Could you tell Mrs. Kraft was at school? Did you hear that? Jessica Hamilton to the office, please. Okay, here we go. So what is 10 times something that equals 50? Who can help me on that one? Calvin, what's 10 times something that equals 50? That is correct, Calvin. It is 5. Mrs. Kraft wants to giggle over somebody being called to the office, and there's nobody even here at school except for a few teachers. That's right. It's not students this time. A teacher's in trouble. Oh, okay, here we go. So are you ready? Good job. You're going to finish that row, and you're going to write the temperatures. Don't forget to circle the temperature that's closest to the body temperature, to normal body temperature. Okay. Okay, today on the back of our paper, you thought we'd never get there, did you? We are going to learn about dividing. That's right. We're going to learn how to divide by 2s. That's very simple. Dividing by 2 is just cutting it in half, okay? It is going to be, should I tell you? Should I tell you? It's going to be super simple, okay? Let's get started. Let's look up here at the top. 12 turtles in all, 2 turtles in each group. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So how many groups of turtles are there? There are 6. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then they show you in the box right there the other way. 2 times 6 equals 12. That's right. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 2 ways to write it. Well, I think, are you ready for this? I think that we ought to practice, and if we were at school, Mrs. Kraft would give you a pile of cereal and ask you to count out 10 pieces. So right now you can hit the pause button if you want, and you can go get some cereal or some crackers or chips or something, but get for me 10 pieces and put them in a pile, okay? When you get ready, then hit the pause button again and we'll start up. Okay, so you have your 10 pieces, and I want you to divide these. Are you listening close? I want you to divide these so there are 2 in every group. 2 in every group, okay? Tell me how many groups you have. We're dividing, okay? I have 10 pieces, 2 in every group. How many groups will I have left? Okay, you divide yours and see how many groups you have. I'm going to draw circles around mine, okay? Okay. Kendall, did you use those Lucky Charms? You know Kendall and Lucky Charms. She loves her Lucky Charms. Magically delicious. Kendall, how many groups did you get? How many groups did you get? Okay, I heard her. Did you get 5 groups? That's right, because 10 divided by 2 equals 5. That was really simple, wasn't it? Okay, get your pencil and paper. We're going back to the back of our paper. We're going to answer these problems right here on the back, okay? Are you ready? Oh, I want to remind you of something too. I almost forgot. Remember, when we have a multiplication problem, the answer is called the product. Multiplication, answer is called the product. But when I have a division problem, the answer is called the quotient. That's a big word. Can you say that with me? Quotient. When we have a division problem, the answer is called the quotient. Okay? Good job. Don't forget that because we're going to write some answers here. So it says write the quotients. Quotients are the answers. That's right. Okay, let's do the first one together. Okay, let's see if Hunter, what is 18 divided by 2? 18 divided by 2, Hunter. What is it? 18 divided by 2. Mrs. Kraft, get her cards here. 18 divided by 2. And the answer, Hunter, is correct. It is 9. So I want you to write 9 on that first problem. Hunter, do you want to go vertical or horizontal? He says vertical. I like vertical today. Okay, here's the next one. What is, and this one is for, let's see. Let's go to Ben. Ben, what is 10 divided by 2? 10 divided by 2. Ben, what is 10 divided by 2? Correct. 10 divided by 2 is 5. If you count by 2, stop when you get to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 5 fingers. 5 is my answer. Okay, let's go to a girl. We already did 2 boys. Let's do a girl. Let's do Layla. Layla, what is 4 divided by 2? 4 divided by 2. I have 4. I'm dividing them into 2 in each group, Layla, and the answer is 2. Correct. Layla already knew that that was 2. Nice job. Okay, let's do another girl. We did 2 girls, 2 boys. Let's do Ella, how about you? Ella, what is 12 divided by 2? 12 divided by 2. I thought so. It is 6. Nice job. Because 6 times 2 equals 12. Or 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's right. Boys' turn? Okay, boys. Let's go to Lucas. Lucas, 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 2 times something that equals 6. Count by 2s. Tell me what number. I heard ya. And he said 3. 3 is the right answer. Fill these in as we go, okay? And let's go in one more boy. 14 divided by 2. Roman, 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2. 2 times something that equals 14. Count. Stop when you get to 14. And the answer is 7. Did you beat Roman? I bet you did. Good job. Okay, 2 more girls. Here we go. The next one. 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. Madison, what is 8 divided by 2? 2 times something that equals 8. 2 times something that equals 8. Good job, Madison. 4 is the answer. Because we know 4 times 2, 2 times 4 equals 8. And the last one, 16 divided by 2 equals, let's pick another girl. Let's do Quinn. Quinn, 2 times something that equals 16. Count by 2s. Stop when you get to 16. Yep, she got it. And the answer is 8. Nice work. I'm proud of you guys. You did an awesome job. Now, I have a question for you. Are you ready for this question? Here we go. This question is divide by 2 to find each answer. A cup is 1/2 pint. If you remember these guys from off of our walls, it takes how many cups to go into a pint? Do you remember how many? That is correct. It takes 2 of these guys to go into a pint. It's half, okay? We're going to do some dividing. You got to put your thinking cap on. Do you have your thinking cap? I reached mine, but it's clear over there. It fell on the floor. Okay, are you ready? If you need to run and get a thinking cap, pause that button, get a thinking cap out. Maybe it's your baseball cap. Maybe it's another silly cap you have. Maybe it's your, oh, don't tell me it's not your underwear. Please, no, 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 no underwear. Okay, here we go. On the bottom of the page, we're down here on the bottom, on this part right here. It says 18 cups equals how many pints? Remember, 1 cup is half. So we're dividing. So I have 18 cups. What is 18 divided by 2? 18 divided by 2. Let's go to Brady. 18 divided by 2 is, oh, Brady, Mrs. Kraft lost her marker. There it is. 18 divided by 2 is, you are right, Brady. He knew 9 is our answer. Nice job. Okay, 9. Let's go a little quicker through this. 16 divided by 2. 16 cups equals how many pints? Okay, Lucas, 16 divided by 2. Count by 2s. Stop when you get to 16. Correct. 8. Lucas had on a nice sweater or sweatshirt today. It had dinosaurs. I bet there was more than 8. I bet there's more than 16 dinosaurs on there. Okay, here's the next one. 14 divided by 2. 14 cups equals how many pints? Kellen, 14 divided by 2. Count by 2s. Stop when you get to 14. Yeah. Oh, he just said something. He says there's a pattern, Mrs. Kraft. Do you notice a pattern we're on? 9, 8, 7. Let's see if we keep going. Let's see who can do 12. 12 cups equals how many pints? 12 divided by 2 equals, Ben? 12 divided by 2 equals 6. That's right. Let's see who else is next. Hunter. What is 10 cups equals how many pints? 10 divided by 2. 2 times something that equals 10 is 5. You guys, all these boys, there was a bunch of boys in a row. Okay, Calvin, let's see if you can get the next one. Calvin, 8 cups equals how many pints? 8 divided by 2. 2 times something that equals 8. That's right. 4. Nice job. Okay, last one. Caleb is yours. 6 cups equals how many pints? 6 cups equals how many pints? Half of it. 6 divided by 2. Count by 2s. Yeah, he was there before you knew it. He said the answer is, that is correct. See if my answer matches yours. And Caleb had this answer too. 3. Did you notice? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You just did a pattern. Let's come over here to these subtracting problems, okay? Mrs. Kraft has them on a board right behind me. Let me grab that board. Here we go. Are you ready? Big board, okay? Are you ready? We're going to do some borrowing. Who can help me with the borrowing? Who has their hand up? Let me see. Okay, let's see. Quinn, can you help me on the borrowing? Quinn, here we go. Anybody at home? Nobody's home. I've got to go all the way until I find somebody home. So right now, you cross out while I cross out. Cross out, cross out, cross out. Got to number 4. Cross that out. What's the 4 going to become, Quinn? That's right. I'm taking 1 away. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, Quinn, what am I going to do? I took 10 away. What am I going to do next? I am going to add it to that 0. Quinn, am I done? No, I am not done. So now I'm going to take that 10 and borrow for the next 0. Let's see if Adeline can help her. Adeline, 10 minus 1 is 9. Nice job. And 10 plus 0, Adeline, is 10. Good job. Abel, am I done? Am I done borrowing? No. This guy over here is lonely. He doesn't have anything. Nobody's home. So we're going to borrow one more time. So Abel, cross out the 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And 10 plus 0 is 10. Now, Abel, am I done? Or do I need to borrow? Do I have anybody else over here to give it to? There isn't anybody else to give it to. So we're stopping. Okay, we're going to stop right there. Ella, what is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 is correct. It is 5. What? You think you guys can beat me? Okay, on your mark. You see if you can do the rest of this subtracting all by yourself. Hit the pause button, and then when you get done, you turn on and see if my number matches your number. Are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. Are you done? Did you get it? Okay, here we go. Did you get 2,375? Did you beat me? You guys are just way too fast. Okay, we have one more to do on the bottom. Are you ready? And then this page will be done. Okay, Kendall, what do I need to do? Can I do 0 minus 4? I cannot. I have got to borrow all the way across. Kendall's whole family, except for Dad, were in the van today. And they were so excited. Ian was not excited, though. Ian was crying. He did not enjoy all the music and everything that was going on. He did not like Baby Shark. Isn't that funny? Okay, Kendall, what's the 8 going to become? 8 is going to become a 7. And then I'm going to take 10 plus 0, Kendall, and that's going to become a 10. Am I done? I am not. So, Roman, what do I need to do? Cross out the 10. Make it a 9, add it to the next one. Good job. Am I done? Brady, am I done? No, I've got one more guy that needs somebody home. So I'm going to cross out the 10. Brady, when am I going to make it? A 9 and make the 0 into a 10. Am I done? Yes, he said. You know, Brady, I think, has kitty cats in his house. Who else has kitty cats? You've got to let me know if you have kitty cats or puppies at your house. Mrs. Kraft doesn't have any of that. I've got blackbirds at my bird feeder. That's about all I have. Can you find the answer to this problem before I do? Can you beat me? Okay, ready? Hit the pause button on your mark. Get set. Go. Did somebody say they were done? Did you say you were done already? You are too fast. Did you get 5,206? Did you get that answer? Good job. I am so proud of you today. You have just done an amazing job on all your work. Okay, I have a question. Can you do some short, speedy Sams before we leave each other? Just 2 of them? Okay. Okay, see if you can get the answer for this. What is 2 plus 7 times 5? 2 plus 7 times 5. Shout out the answer. Do you have the answer? I heard it. Who was that? Was that? I can't tell. Say it again. I couldn't tell if it was Hunter or Calvin or It was a boy's voice. Who was it? They said, Brady, was it you? Lucas was, maybe it was Lucas. I don't know. There's so many voices. 45. Did you get 45? If you did, good job. Okay, one more. Last one. Should it easy or hard? Let's do one with 4 numbers. I think because that was too easy. Okay, here we go. 8 plus 2 minus 5 times 5. Okay, 8 plus 2 minus 5 times 5. Do you know what the answer is? What's the answer? Anybody have an answer for me? Are you ready? Okay, girls, you got it this time. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is, girls, shout it out, 25. That's right, 25. Nice work. Boys and girls, you did awesome today. I hope you have a wonderful day. It's Thursday. That means Wednesday. Oh, Mrs. Kraft. Tomorrow's Thursday. One more day. One more day to Thursday, one more day to Friday, and then it's the weekend. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. Okay, bye.